Welcome to BursaStation. We at Shareinvestor would like to wish everyone a Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri. For this joyous occasion, here is our Hari Raya promotion. Sign up to BursaStation for 12 months and you will automatically receive one additional month. This promotion is valid from the 25th of May to 8th of June 2020. To sign up, all you need to do is watch this video and follow the steps. Firstly, head on over to www.bursastation.com. Click on the subscribe/renew button. It's the third button from the left, just below the logo. Now, on this page, select your desired package and options. Indicate if you are a new or existing user. New users will need to fill in your names and email before you can proceed to the next page. Existing users will also need to log in with your details to proceed to the payment page. To make payments, select Visa or MasterCard. Other payment methods such as online banking or e-wallets are also available. Once payment has been made, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Upon receiving that email, you can begin to download and install BursaStation. For new users, you will receive your password via email. Log on to BursaStation program and you are good to go. Happy investing!